future of clean energy starts with education. At Florida A&M University, we are leading the charge with EmpowerEd, a sustainable future through clean energy education. Launched in 2024 as a pilot initiative, this immersive summer camp introduces K-12 students, especially from underserved communities, to the world of renewable energy, sustainability, and building decarbonization. Through interactive workshops, hands-on experiments, and expert-led discussions, students gain real-world insights into the clean energy transition while building problem-solving skills for the future. With support from the U.S. Department of Energy and collaborations with clean energy leaders, we are shaping the next generation of STEM professionals who will lead the charge toward a greener tomorrow. Join us in empowering the clean energy innovators of tomorrow.